FlexClip has 6,000 plus pre-made video templates. Log in or sign up. You will then be taken to the FlexClip homepage. There you can browse, filter or search video templates. Find a video template that works for your needs. With so many to choose from, this is the hard part. The less editing the better, so choose wisely. Then select the aspect ratio for your video. Now, for the fun part. Move items, replace text and remove/add images. Easy click and insert from tons of stock media. Be sure your work is being saved. Group and ungroup items for even faster editing. Continue editing all slides until complete. Now it is time to export the video masterpiece. Choose your settings and export. (500x) original rendering speed, actual 2 minutes to render. You have now made a stunning video in minutes. And that's how to edit a FlexClip template fast and easy. Watch the final result.